everyone, my name is Maya. I'm a student at CSUMB and a service learner for the Monterey County Free Libraries. In today's STEAM time video, we'll be taking this lemon and a piece of paper and creating a secret message using the juice of the lemon. Here's pretty much everything you're going to need for this experiment. You're going to need a lemon or lemon juice, a heat source such as a lighter or a candle. I'm actually going to be using this lighter to light up a candle so you could reveal the secret message at the end. Something to write with, such as a paintbrush. And then you're also going to need some white paper. It could either be like lined notebook paper like what I have, or copy paper. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your lemon in half and like squeeze out the juices and put them in a cup, or leave lemon and kind of just dip the paintbrush directly into it. So I'm going to write my secret message really quick. First thing we're going to do is dip this. Okay. All right, now we're going to write our message. Okay. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to let this dry. All right. All that is left to do is to just put the paper directly over the flame, making sure that this doesn't catch on fire itself. And then slowly you'll start to see the reaction take place. Here is the final reveal of our hidden message in this invisible ink experiment video. It says, "I love MCFL STEAM time." So going down to the science behind this, so why this shows up. So in lemon juice, there is carbon compounds, and at room temperature, they are colorless and you won't be able to see them with the naked eye. Earlier in the video, we could kind of see like wrinkly parts of like where I wrote or painted on, and that's just because it was wet and then it dried wrinkly. And that's just because of the thickness of my paper. It's pretty thin. But once heat was applied, such as like using the candlelit flame, those carbon compounds start to show up more, which is why you could see it so clearly now. And yeah, this is a pretty cool experiment. I do recommend doing this outside. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.